Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now you coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5, F I V E 5. It's night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color, S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7. It's again use yellow color and draw 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color, 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13, 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color, 70. The numbers of 70. It's again use black color and draw 80. The numbers of 80, 90. The numbers of 90. It's last date 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.